everyone, and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be giving you a detailed review of a laptop. Basically this is the HP 15S DR0002TX. Actually it's a very big name basically, and so the laptop I will be discussing about. And so one thing is that this laptop is no longer available in the online markets as well, that is Flipkart or Amazon. You can even find it in the any other offline stores if you want to buy it. But in that case, if you want to buy it online, then a similar type of model is there. All the specifications are exactly the same, which I will be discussing in this video. You will find that laptop's link in my description box down below. You can definitely go and buy it for yourself, and that laptop is exactly the same as the one which I will be reviewing in this video. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. This particular laptop comes with this kind of shiny metallic design and texture, as you can see, as it is a matte texture, and with that glossy HP logo it looks quite premium at the top. And also you will find the dimensions which I will be mentioning, that is it is of length that is 35.85 cm with a breadth of 24.2 cm and a thickness of 1.99 cm, and also it weighs around 1.74 kg. Most of us use our laptops a lot, and that's why HP provided this kind of display to its users so that it doesn't affect our eyes, and so we can work longer hours without facing any problem. And also please make sure that this particular laptop doesn't come with the optical drive, that is the optical drive is not included in this particular laptop. This particular device comes with the Windows 10 64-bit operating system out of the box, and also it comes with the dual audio speakers. And also because of these dual audio speakers, this will enhance your movie watching experience in your laptop much more better as compared to its previous generations. And also it comes with a battery that is of 3-cell 41-watt lithium ion battery inside it. If you are interested in buying any kind of cooling pads for your laptops, then you can definitely check out one of my videos which I have already posted on my channel previously. If you want to check that video, you will find that video at the end screen of this particular video. Now let us discuss some of the expansion slots as well as the external ports that you will be provided with after you purchase this laptop. It comes with one multi-format SD media card reader, as you can see, and also it comes with the one HDMI, one headphone or microphone combo port, as you can say, and one RJ45 port is also provided here. One AC smart pin is there, and also you will get one USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type C port for data transferring and all those stuffs. And also you will get another port for all those data signaling and all those purpose. For that you will also be provided with a separate port as well, which will transfer all your data, all those things you will be also provided with this kind of ports as well. This time HP also provides a different kind of display for its users with this kind of laptops, which they call it to be anti-glare micro edge WLED backlight display, which means that whenever you will be working at night when there is no light, you will face no difficulty with that. Let us discuss some of the internal specifications of this particular device. Let's first start with the microprocessor. It also comes with the Intel Core i5-8265U processor inside it, which is a very much fast processor as compared to its previous generation. Also it comes with an integrated SoC chipset inside it, which is from the brand Intel. And also it comes with a memory standard, that is the 8GB of DDR4 2400 SDRM RAM inside it, and also it comes with an hard drive of 256GB, that is SSD. The keyboard keys used in this particular laptop as well as the mouse tracking pad, both of them are very much touch sensitive as well as responsive. And whenever it comes to your typing experience for this kind of laptops, I would rather say that your typing experience will be a very good one, because with this kind of sophisticated keys that are used in this particular laptop, it will make your job much more simpler. And also it comes with the HP's True Vision HD camera with the integrated dual array digital microphone inside it, and so it will make your video calling experiences as well as conference calling experiences much more better when it comes to this kind of webcams that are provided in this laptop. Okay, so sometimes it happens for the beginners that it becomes difficult to use the original laptop mouse pad that comes with it. But in that case, you can definitely buy a separate wireless mouse for that purpose. HP also provides this kind of laptop charger inside the box itself, and also it is just an ordinary laptop charger. Okay, so it also comes with the Realtek wireless connectivity drivers inside it, and so because of that, all the wireless devices which you want to use with your laptop, you can easily connect it because the Realtek drivers are very much compatible with these things. And also I would like to rather say that you can definitely purchase this particular laptop as it is definitely worth buying. And if you are a student like me, then you must definitely go and purchase this particular laptop because it also comes with a very good webcam, and also all the other features are also very much good. Gaming experience is also very much good, particularly in this laptop. I have myself tried it out several times, and so you can definitely go and purchase this. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying these kind of HP laptops for themselves, for their purpose. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.